Have you ever made a mistake? Well, don't worry, you will. That's where the undo command comes in. This command is found in most computer programs and is one of my all-time favorites. It helps to keep me honest. There are several ways to use the undo command in AutoCAD. You can simply type in undo, or you can type in the letter U. You can also use the Windows shortcut key of Control-Z. If you use the AutoCAD command of undo and not Control-Z or not the letter U, then you get several options as you saw pop up. You can also use the quick access toolbar undo right here. If you click the arrow that's shown, you can get a list of items you've done recently and purge more than one command at a time. If you type in the word undo, you can type in the number of commands or operations that you want to undo. So if you want to undo the last one, just press the 1 or enter because it defaults to 1. Or you can undo the last 5, press enter, and it will undo the last 5 things. Now note undo has no effect on some commands and system variables, including those that like open or close or save a file in a drawing, some that display information like the properties palette, or some things that change your graphics display, or regenerate the drawing, or something that exports the drawing into a different format. You can't undo those. You can mark in time places of reference for the undo command, but that's getting rather complicated right now. And to be honest, in almost 20 years that I've been doing this, I have never had a need to do that. So you can, let's say, okay, I'm going to work on a concept design. I want to mark this place in time. So you would type in the word undo and you would click mark. And so now AutoCAD knows this point, everything I do from here on is set. So I can do some things. Let's say, copy, move, and maybe I'll draw a line. Now if I type in undo, I can go back, and this will bring me back to my mark. So that's kind of cool that you can go all the way back to the very beginning. You can set up some controls, go back to the beginning, just go back, make a mark, etc. But honestly, all you're really going to need is the Control-Z or just the letter U for undo, or use your tools up here in the quick access toolbar.